Good morning, class. How's everybody? All fine? Okay, great. Let's kick off with the lesson. Today, our lesson is about taxonomy. Our objectives are going to be to group different species according to common traits, and second, to relate variety of the species to hereditary development. Now, in order to proceed with this, I'm gonna show you this picture. What can you notice in front of you? Very well. We have much animals around the world, and you can see a high variety of the animals in the picture. And what happened is that scientists wanted to study the animals, but rather than studying them one at a time, to make things easier, they would organize them in groups in order to study their characteristics. This would make it easier. Now, what's going to happen today is that we're going to take the role of the scientists. We're going to organize them in groups. Okay? And what's going to happen first, I'm going to ask you to sit in groups of 4, and I will be giving you instructions after that. So go ahead. Okay, very good. I see everybody is seated in the group. What's going to happen now is that I'm going to distribute you a set of animal fact cards. Okay? Now, these animal fact cards, they contain like 20 cards of animals of different characteristics. Each card has data about the diet, the size, the speed, the habitat, and other things as well. I would like you to go in the next 5 minutes to check the cards, read each characteristic properly, and then I would like you to arrange the cards in separate groups. Okay? So you have in the next 5 minutes to arrange the cards into groups. Now I would like you to consider as well that there is no one correct way to order them. Each group might order them in a different way from the other group. But what I care about is you have to think how your arrangement would help the scientists to study the animals. So it should be a reasonable arrangement. Okay, so off you go. Very well, I see that the groups all have ordered and arranged their animals into groups. Now next, you have 1 minute to give a descriptive label, and this descriptive label will describe what is the or why these groups of animals are together. Okay, you have 1 minute. Go ahead. Okay, very well. I see that everybody have labeled their groups. Now, some of the groups, interestingly, have written even numbers because there is like a range, especially when it comes to size and lifespan. Very good. It's not a big deal. Now, what I care about is that after grouping them, I want you to remember that I asked you to put them for a certain reason. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to distribute you a paper. As you see, the paper says we grouped animals by, and this is the way you group them or why you group them, or sorry, the method you group them with. And this allows you, scientists, to do what? To study the animals how? Okay, how would this help the animals in this way of grouping? Okay, you have about 4 or 5 minutes as well to finish this. Don't forget to write your names at the top of the page. Okay, everybody's done? Great. Now let's discuss your way of grouping and reasons. Okay, each person might have, or each group might have a different way, and we will listen to each other and learn what methods you used to group and what are the reasons to do so. So let's start with group 1.